Hey, babe, you know what irritates the heck out of me?
No, I don't. What?
We're on a cruise, a couple of days go by, and I go, I should have brought this.
Ugh, that irritates me too. That's why we have 7 items we wish we had brought on a cruise. Come and cruise with us. Come and cruise with us. Come and cruise with us, and you won't regret it. Hi, everybody. I'm Laurie.
And I'm Gary.
And we are
Laurie and Gary Cruise.
Welcome back to our channel and Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
Hope you all had a very happy holiday season.
Yes.
Well, today we wanted to talk about not items we've forgotten to bring on a cruise, items where we're chilling out, living our best cruise ship lives, and all of a sudden we're like,
Oh, man.
I should have brought that. That would have been nice to have for this.
Yeah.
Those extra, maybe it's a little extra thing, but it's just something that would have added to your cruise or made your cruise run a little more smooth, right, babe?
Yeah.
So without further ado, we're going to get into it, and you're going to want to stay till the end because I think the last one is pretty important.
It's the most important.
Yes. So I'm going to let Gary start with this because this is the one that he definitely was like,
Yeah.
man. So take it away, baby. What's item number one?
Yeah, it's not on my usual list of stuff to bring, but I see a ship way off in the distance. I go, oh man, what is it? Ow! I should have brought my binoculars. I forgot my binoculars.
Yeah. And the worst is when we're like, I think it's Norwegian, but I can't tell. It could be MSC.
Or it's a beautiful sea. It's a beautiful mountain. That you're out in the ocean. I mean, anything. Just a pair of binoculars. You got to bring binoculars.
Adds so much.
Yeah.
Especially if you have a balcony cabin, you're going to want those binoculars.
Yeah, and you don't want to buy them downstairs in the gift shop because they're going to run you an arm and a leg. Just bring your pair of binoculars.
Now, number two, even though some people probably have this in their toiletry bag, we always are like, we won't need these, which item number two is nail clippers.
Oh.
We always think it's just a quick vacay.
Yeah.
My nails aren't going to get that long.
Yeah.
But you know what?
They do.
They do.
They grow.
So 3 days into the cruise, I'm walking around with a big hangnail, and you can't buy it in the you could buy it in the gift shop, but it's like quintuple the price.
Yeah.
So, and me being the cheap gal I am, I'm not gonna spend that much coin on nail clippers.
Exactly.
So, nail clippers. It's not mandatory. You're not gonna die without them, but it's just
You're going to wish you brought them.
you wish you brought them.
Yeah.
All right, number three, babe. Take it away.
Number three? Oh, eye mask. Now when you go into a cabin, they say that it's a total blackout curtain, right? But they're not. I mean, probably when the ship was new, yeah. But
maybe the first 2 months of the sailing.
Yeah. When you close those curtains, come 7 o'clock in the morning, that sun is going to shine through those curtains. It just is. So you got to bring an eye mask. That will black out everything, and it's an easy fix.
Number four, zip-up bags.
Oh, yeah.
Now, there's been so many times when we wish we could put a couple of buffet things. One time specifically, one of the ship buffets we were at had sugar cubes, and we were going on a horseback riding excursion.
Oh, right.
And I was like,
forgot about that.
I wish I had a little Ziploc bag to put a bunch of sugar cubes in to maybe sneak to the horses.
What horse doesn't like a sugar cube here and there?
Come on. What horse doesn't like a sugar cube? And what person doesn't want to be ingratiated to their horse that they're about to ride, right?
Anyway, the point is zipper bags.
Zipper bags. You also like to put your supplements in them.
I put my supplements in there, and put all kinds of different knickknacks and stuff so they don't get mixed up with anything else. They're really a necessity.
It's just always like, I wish I had a Ziploc bag for this.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And a Ziploc bag for this, and a Ziploc bag for that, blah, 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 blah.
I'm going to let you do number five because
What is five?
This is all you. This is
Post-it notes. Post-it notes. You're getting ready to leave your cabin, and you put a Post-it note up there of the things you don't want to forget, and you go, oh yeah, I gotta go back and get that. I almost forgot that. This will remind you to I guess we have Post-it notes everywhere. So it's just a good idea to bring on a cruise.
He's the king of Post-it notes.
I'm the king of Post-it notes.
But we don't always think to bring them on a cruise, but we should. So Post-it notes.
Yeah. What's the next one?
Number 6, and this really only applies for certain cruise lines, but with ships with laundry rooms, bring the laundry detergent. Bring your own laundry detergent.
Yeah.
If you use powdered detergent, you can put it in that Ziploc bag.
Yeah.
If you use, the pod detergents, you bring a little Tupperware with them. The reason being is that detergent on the ship is so freaking expensive. I think it's like $6 or $7 for like one load of laundry, and if you're doing loads throughout your cruise, that's gonna add up. So
go to your local drugstore and get one of those little boxes, travel boxes of laundry detergent. Cheap and easy.
And again, this is only for cruise lines with the laundry room.
Yeah.
Princess, Carnival, I think Holland America. Any other ones? Let us know in the comments below.
Right.
And we're almost at the end, but before we get there, we want to kindly ask you to please hit the
like and subscribe button
with the
notification bell.
The notification bell will let you know every time we post a new video. We try and be consistent, but sometimes the cruising schedule gets a little hectic. So this way, if we don't post when we normally post, and you're like, oh my God, when are they going to post? Now you'll know because you got the notification bell on.
Yeah.
Right, Ben?
And it will help us out. So, and it's free. It doesn't cost anything. So, give us a like and a thumbs up on that too.
Hey, baby. Can I do the last one?
Oh, yes. Yeah, do the last one. That's yours.
Okay. Well, it's not mine. It's yours.
Actually, ours. Yeah.
But I get to make fun of you, which is why I want to do it. Okay.
Make fun.
This is a typical cruise date in the life of Laurie and Gary.
Okay, take it away.
We go on an amazing beach excursion. We dip our feet in the water. We sit down. We feel the waves crashing up against our bodies. We go home. We put our swimsuits out to dry. We go out to dinner. We walk around the ship. We spy an empty hot tub. I say, Gary, let's go get our bathing suits on and go in the hot tub while it's empty. And Gary goes,
they're soaking wet.
oh.
They're soaking wet.
Oh, it's still soaked. I can't go in the hot tub. Bring more than one bathing suit.
Yeah, that's it.
number 7.
Yeah, just bring 2 bathing suits. That's
or
all.
10, like me.
Yeah.
But at least 2. Because
You think I'm joking.
there's so
I'm
many
not.
instances on a cruise where you may want to go in the pool or the ocean or the
Yeah.
hot tub more, or just sit out in the sun more than one time. And what's as gross as putting on that wet, gross bathing suit, feeling the icky wetness and dampness against your skin?
And then having to walk down the hallways and go up 2 or 3 flights and walk here and then walk there and then walk there. And go outside where it's a little chilly. But then you get in that hot tub and it's like, ah. So anyway, point is, bring more than one bathing suit.
Big more than one.
Yeah.
And that's it. That's all we have for you today. Do you have any other items that you wish you had brought on a cruise? Please
Let us know.
Let us know in the comment box below. Because
Let us know in the comments below. Below. I like saying that. Let us know in the comments below.
Because we are always looking to up. I don't listen to him anymore, you
Okay.
guys. We are always looking to
Tunes me
up
out.
our cruise game, to be on top of the ball. So definitely let us know in the comments below. Until the next time, that's all for us today, right, babe?
Yep.
All right. So until the next time, we want you to
Live your best cruise life. Bye, guys.
bye
Next time.
next time.